Hello! The time is coming to pull out the Christmas lights, but you see that some wires are loose and dangerously exposed. This definitely needs to be repaired, or your holidays will end on a sad note. To do this, ask your grandmother for permission and a soldering tool kit. The first task before any repair is to disconnect it from electricity. Then open the Christmas light box where these damaged wires are. As you can see, it is almost broken. Remove the hot glue. To be sure you solder the wires back the same way, mark the outer side. Then remove the outer cable jacket. Remove the wire insulation as well, and twist the copper strands together. Next, tin the wires. That improves soldering quality. Cut off any extra length and solder the wires back in the same layout. When soldering, check to make sure you don't create a short circuit. Then take any glue and secure the cable in place. This will guarantee that the cable lasts a long time without causing any electrical hazards. Assemble the light housing, and you just saved your grandmother from an electrical shock and saved these Christmas lights from the trash, keeping some money in your wallet too.